Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Make sure you
like and
subscribe. Okay, let's get into the video. So today we're going to, someone said, for example, Seb says to me, do like a front flip, yeah? I will do a front flip and then it's his turn, like a dare thing. And then when and then it gets easier, then it gets easy, then it gets medium, then it gets hard, then it gets impossible. So yeah, let's get on with the video. So, let's do rock, paper, scissors, shoot for who will start. Rock.
do paper, scissors, rock.
Let's do paper, scissors, rock. Paper, scissors, rock. Yes, I won. So, now, Sebby, I dare you to just do a front flip. Okay, sit. Now you dare me something. Point it that way. Wait, that's the counter. So, I dare you to do a front flip.
Nice one.
Okay.
Dare you to do.
I dare him, that guy, to do. I'm a side flip.
Side flip. Oh, was that front flip?
Yeah.
I did land it.
Yeah. So,
What do you need to do a knee front flip? Nice one. You done me. The best person in the world to do. What do you dare me to do? Just do it already.
I dare you to do
Boom flip.
I dare you to do a two-hand front flip. So just like this.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Like that.
Yeah. So it's like a forward roll, but with. Oh. So what do you dare me to do?
I dare you to do a knee backside flip.
A knee box. How can I like?
Okay, that's fine. It's fine.
It's hard.
It's fine. Okay, what do you dare me to do?
So knee spun land, jump, knee spun land, which is just knee spun land.
What?
Easy.
Knee spun land.
Okay.
I dare you to do the same.
Okay.
Knee spun land.
Bro, that was rubbish.
Look.
Easy. I can do it all day.
Nice. Now you gotta dare me to do something, you know.
Oh, I dare him to do a one knee. I dare you to do a forward roll on your knees. So keep, on your feet. So keep your feet just like that. So
Okay.
yeah.
Is that it?
Now you jumped. So you need to just go on your knees and then just do a forward roll. But keep your feet on the ground.
You ready?
Like that. Oh, you just did it.
Yeah, of course I just did it. It's easy.
Now what do you... Oh, you just gave me a shot.
Yeah, the camera gave me a... I dare you to do this. I dare you to do this. So I'm gonna hold the camera for a second. I dare you to do this. That.
Bruh. Like that?
Yeah, exactly that.
Oh! That was massive.
You gave me about 3 electric shocks.
No,
you gave me the electric shock.
Yeah, but I did me as well.
But anyway, I dare you to just jump and touch the railing.
With 2 hands or 1?
2.
Okay. Oh my god! That literally burned my hands.
I'll film you. I dare you.
Don't worry, it's alright. I know. What do you dare me? Wait, after this, it's moving on to the medium. What do you dare me?
I dare you to do a front flip.
Okay.
Nice one. What do you dare me to do?
Now it's moved on to medium. So now I dare you. It's medium stuff. Now I dare you to sit down here. Yeah. And now try not to bounce. Oh, you went up in the air. Okay, you just won. You just won. So now you dare me.
I dare you.
Oh! Oh no!
That really hurt, you know.
That really hurt, the electric shock.
We literally got like 5 electric shocks already.
So I dare him, yes, him, who's just hurt his leg, to do
I dare you to do a knee side flip.
Okay, easy. Well, maybe easy.
Oh, you kicked me!
Yay!
The battery's literally on low.
I dare you. Nothing. So, I'm not gonna film him. So I dare you to do a front flip.
Okay.
No, but not any kind of front flip. Front flip. So do a half front flip, then land on your back, and you can dance, but don't go like that, and then go like that, so you don't land on your feet. That's what you know if you don't do. Prank failed. So, just go. Okay, easy. Now you mine. Another one. Give me another electric shock. What do you dare me?
I dare you to do a side flip. Do you know I'm just filming myself?
What?
I'm just filming myself.
What the? No, it's so mean.
Do it.
How dare you? I'm gonna do it. Okay.
Side flip. Nice one. I'll get one.
A, B, C, D, E, F. I dare you to do what you call this. Hold the camera.
Okay.
I dare you what you call this. I don't know what you call it, but you just get like that.
Oh,
Land on your knees.
I do that all the time.
Another electric shock. Okay, guess what guys? Time to move on to harder. Hard. So now what do you dare me? For harder.
I dare you to lie down.
Okay.
Nice
Well,
one.
you're bunky.
I dare you to drop the camera on the trampoline.
Oof. This is expensive. It's like, I don't know, like $1,000. No, it was actually about £1,000 or 800 or something like that.
Oh my boo! So you get. I dropped it.
Sorry. So what was my dare? I forgot it.
A front flip.
Just do a front flip anyways. Front flip on your bum.
Wait, I dare you to try and keep the camera.
I dropped the camera.
Keep the camera in your hand while I can do a front flip.
Okay, it'll be really cool. That's not a front flip, silly Willie. I'm not. I call my brother that. I call Boo. This is not a front flip. Stinky. Okay. I did it! Sit out, bruh! I did it! Yeah, I did it. That took a lot of tries to do that.
Wait, do you want to say hello to Chip? Wait, let Chip and be in the video.
Yeah, Chip's saying it. Okay, what do I dare you? I don't know. Okay, pass then. So do spin again, and then do a front flip. Okay, stay with, okay.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay, now you dare me.
I dare you to do the same thing I did. God, you hurt yourself. Pray.
Hey, yo, mate, what do I dare you?
Mate, I dare you to do.
Wait, now moving on to impossible.
Look at this.
Possible.
Guys, I made a new trick up just then.
Leave it, bro. Now we're moving on to impossible. Oh yeah, that's.
Your tree's on to art.
No, we haven't.
Yeah, we did.
No, because I was shaking. Can't believe that. Anyway, it's hard, so what do you dare me? Bruh.
Let's just move on to impossible.
Yeah, okay.
Impossible. I dare you to do this.
So, what was it? Okay, I think I remember it. I don't know. So, was it? No, bottom.
Oh, so it means bottom front flip.
No! So, was it bottom front flip? Yeah. No! Faster.
Look! Do you want to see what other professionals
Like this. What's the secret is happening to me?
Okay, you're losing your mojo. That's what's happening to you.
Okay.
How you do it?
I lost a point, so right now, Sadie's in the league.
What I dare you to do again is 10 of these.
So it was. Don't shock it, long finger.
Okay,
Oh!
but you actually
Yeah.
So, but 10 of those. What? So that's one. One.
My hand. 3. 4.
You can stand up. Can you? You can try and still land it. Okay. That's okay, you can do that just that.
6, yeah, I did 6, I think. I don't know if I did 6 or not.
Impossible now.
We were in impossible. Silly Willy.
We're already on impossible, so. What do you dare me to do?
This is the last step. Oh no, you're gonna win. Damn it, you're gonna win. But anyway, I dare you the hardest one of all. Do a dab front flip.
So, I wanted to do a Benson boom flip. Benson boom flip.
Well, do a dab front flip first.
Okay.
Dab. Now you're gonna hit me.
How was that good?
Just do it once more. Okay, now
I dare you to do a Benson boom front flip.
what the figma? What
No,
me? You didn't give me another one.
I held it. So I dare you
A
to do
Benson thing.
this. You ready? I dare you to do this.
Okay.
Oh! A Benson boom front flip.
You stand on the side like that. Like that and then flip over. That's a front flip.
My chest. It's hard to do it because for some reason something's wrong with me. I don't know.
Yes, that was it.
Yay! Now you.
Another electric shock. What is happening? What the heck is happening? Okay, guess who won? Oh,
Me.
and second challenge, you won. Bruh, bruh. Remember the first one? You won.
Truck.
What? Guess what you win? I'm gonna give you £2. Okay. Right. See you guys. Have fun. Peace.